Hey everyone, welcome back to MadInfra Lab. In last video, I showed you how I use three.js and React 3 Fiber to give my app a cool 3D experience. Today, I wanted to talk about this next step, adding multiplayer. But here's the fun part. Stick around till the end because I will also share a simple method you can use to improve your projects and even your daily life. So let's rewind. I started with React 3 Fiber, which is basically a wrapper around three.js. That wrapper saved me from writing ton of code from scratch. Then I thought, wouldn't it be awesome if this app supported multiplayer? On paper, it sounds pretty simple, but in reality, not so much. I wanted to use WebSockets so players could communicate with the server in real time. The backend part, that's already done. The problem is on the front end. With React's architecture, things got messy. My first attempt was Redux. But the issue is, every time a player moved, React tried to re-render everything, and depending on update speed, this could happen every millisecond. Not great. So I switched to another state management library, Zustand, the famous little bear library. It looked promising, and I even migrated some of my player state logic, but it didn't really solve the issue either. At that point, I went to Reddit and asked for help. That's where Bennett came in. Big shout out to him. He explained the problem in a way that finally clicked for me. And that was the light bulb moment. The real issue wasn't Redux or Zustand. It was how React itself was handling re-renders. Every single position updates was causing the whole scene to redraw way too much. So my plan now is to try useSyncExternalStore in my next iteration. Hopefully that will finally solve the problem, and of course I will let you know how it goes. Since I don't have a big win to show you this week, I thought I would share something equally useful. A productivity method that you can use not only for coding projects but also in your daily life. It's called Scrum. Scrum is all about breaking big projects into small, manageable parts. How it's work? Write down everything you want to finish. Break it into chunks. For example, if you want to finish in 1 month, divide it into 4 parts, 1 per week. These are called sprint. Each week, only focus on that week's sprint. Ignore everything else. Don't add new tasks until the sprint is finished. At the end of the week, review what you have done. Ask what worked, what didn't, and how do I improve for next sprint. Repeat until the project is done. Over time, the huge to-do list gets smaller and smaller. And the best part, you can use this same method for personal goals, studying, or any big project in life. If you would like me to make a step-by-step video on Scrum with examples, let me know in the comments. And if you are enjoying this journey of building and experimenting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next update. This is MadInfra Lab, and I will see you in the next one.